So a buddy of mine was looking at my new Stihl FS 70R, and I told him I liked it pretty good. I did have to take it back and get a little repair done to it, but they covered it. But he told me, he said, I was looking online for one like yours, and I seen one for $69 from Walmart. He said, is that real? So I found it too. It's right here. Look at that, $69 at Walmart. Okay, you come over here and you see it. It's Walmart, Stihl FS 70R. $69. Okay, you click on that and you come to this page right here, and it says Stihl FS 70R gas trimmer, $69. Folks, it takes you to this website, which is not Walmart. Not by any means is that Walmart. And I don't think Walmart sells Stihl trimmers. And you're not going to buy an FS 70R for $69. It just does not happen. Some things are too good to be true, folks. And this is one of them. And I looked this website up, and it's a scam. Either you get something that's a knockoff of what you're getting, or you don't get anything at all. And a lot of people have had to cancel their transactions with these people. So just be aware of this, folks. It's like I told him, you're not going to get a Stihl FS 70R for $69. It just does not happen. I hate people get scammed like this. You know, some things are just too good to be true. A real site selling a Stihl FS 70R, you're going to pay about $300 for that thing, not $69. Don't be fooled, folks. Don't be fooled by this website right here or any other selling a FS 70R for $69. It just don't happen. Buyer beware. A lot of people get fooled by stuff like this. Don't be one of them. Don't fall for any of these internet scams that sound too good to be true, because they are most of the time. Alright, well, I'll be working on some more stuff coming up soon. Until then, take care and don't get scammed by this T-Mall website. For a $69 Stihl FS trimmer. These things are like $300. It just don't happen. Alright, folks, take care.